This is one of the smallest UHFs I've ever seen. It's the UHF305 from Oricom. It packs the same 5-watt punch as some of the bigger units, but if you've got a modern 4-wheel drive like this Land Cruiser, it's perfect for a clean and easy install. It adapts to whatever 4-wheel drive you want to put it in. This small transceiver can go under your dash, up on the roof, or you can tuck it away neatly in your center console. You can flip the LED screen if you need to mount the radio upside down, or move the mic to the other side. The screen's got 7 different colors to choose from. Now, if I was putting this in a Hilux, I'd probably choose green to match the color, but because it's going in a Land Cruiser, I reckon I'd go with pink. It suits the car a bit more. The screen is bright too, so you'll always see what channel you're on, even in direct sunlight. Oricom's micro UHFs are real easy to install, but they're also real easy to use as well. The mic's only got a couple of buttons on the top to cycle through things like volume and channel, which when you're driving, it's all you really need. And if you set this priority button to the channel you and your mates use the most, you're only ever 1 button away from the right channel. The full 5-watt transceiver will push a signal through any antenna you like, just like the 6.5 dBi on my Hilux. It might be small, but it's just as powerful as anything else on the market. If you've got a modern 4-wheel drive or you're tight on dash space, this is the perfect UHF for you. It's loud, easy to use, and because it's so compact, it can be installed just about anywhere. Plus, you can pair it with their MMM100 magnetic microphone mount, which is universal and suits all their radios. All Oricom radios come with a full 5-year warranty as well. So to get one in your 4-wheel drive, just head to oricom.com.au.